Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about Hindu marriage. Whether Hindu marriage is a sacrament or not. This is mostly asked in your written examinations in judiciary exams. So let's start. Marriage is the highest social relationship of human being. It is a religious sacrament in which a man and a woman are bound in permanent relationship for the physical, social, and spiritual purposes of dharma, procreation, and sexual pleasure. The Vedas also hold marriage to be one of the important sacraments sanctifying the body. That is why marriage is given great importance by the Hindus. It is said that man who does not win a wife is really half, and he is not the full man as long as he does not beget an offspring. Section 5 and 12 of the Hindu Marriage Act are the pertinent provisions to determine whether Hindu marriage is a sacrament or a contract. It says that neither party to the marriage must be incapable of giving a valid consent in consequence of unsoundness of mind. Further, the bridegroom has completed the age of 21 years and the bride must have completed the age of 18 years at the time of marriage. The concept of marriage affected in modern times owing to social changes in earlier 20th century. Hindu marriage is considered to be a religious sacrament for certain reasons. A Hindu marriage is deemed valid and complete only when certain religious rites like Homa, offering of the hand of the bride, and Saptapati, that is, taking 7 steps together, are completed. It is performed by a Brahmin in the presence of the sacred nuptial fire and are accompanied by Vedic mantras. The Hindu marriage becomes complete and binding only when the seventh step in Saptapadi is taken, and till then it is imperfect and revocable. A Hindu male goes through the performance of several sacraments during the course of his life. These begin with the laying of fetus and end with the cremation of his body. In between the laying of fetus, that is Garbhadhana, and cremation, that is Antyeshti, lie several sanskaras or sacraments, and marriage happens to be the most significant and essential among them. After solemnization of marriage, the couple is regarded to be one personality, and because of that reason, the gotra of the wife is merged into the status and personality of the husband. The sacramental union implies that it is a permanent bond which does not end in this world or after the death of either partner, but it continues even after death in the next life. Also, marriage is desired for begetting a son or putra who will come to the rescue of the father from falling into the ditch of hell or Put Narka. Also, marriage is one among several sanskaras. It is the most essential sanskara, and marriage is essential for entering into the grahastharma, wherein several rinas are to be repaid and several yajnas are to be performed. Hindu marriage, which was considered to be religious duty and sacrament, has undergone a change and it has lost its religious sanctity. In sacred texts, marriage created an inseparable tie between husband and wife which could not be broken in any circumstances. But the act, by providing several matrimonial remedies, including divorce and nullity, has seriously eroded its sacramental character. So, after all this, we can conclude that the sacramental character of the Hindu marriage has been retained and is more of a sacrament than only a mere contract. So, this is all about today. Thank you.